Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa tabbouleh using an easy method. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Let it cool completely before moving to the next step. Next, prepare your fresh vegetables for the tabbouleh. Finely chop 2 large, ripe tomatoes and 1 crisp cucumber into small, uniform pieces. Then, mince about 1/2 cup of fresh parsley and 1/4 cup of fresh mint. Finally, dice 1/4 cup of red onion very small to ensure a balanced flavor throughout the dish. Now, let's create the vibrant dressing for your tabbouleh. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and the fresh juice from 1 lemon. Add 1 minced garlic clove and season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Once the quinoa is cool, gently combine it with all the chopped vegetables and the dressing in a large mixing bowl. Toss everything until well combined. For the best flavor, cover your quinoa tabbouleh and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it as a refreshing side dish, a light lunch, or even as part of a Mediterranean platter. It's a healthy and delicious option for any meal. Don't forget to check the description for links to some great deals, including that car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.